we got these lovely Corten planters, and it's really funny how garden trends change. 5 or 6 years ago, if I'd have said to someone, we're going to put a rusty box in your garden, they'd have laughed me off the job. I really love the contrast of the orange rust with the grey silvery leaves of the olive tree and the silvery grey ragstone gravel. It's just really nice. The client has chosen these lovely clay pavers, Chelmer Valley from London Stone. We think they really complement the existing brick wall and they really go nicely with the oak as well. So we've also installed a small Corten steel water feature just for a little bit of water and a little bit of movement. This will rust down to match the ones on the other side, but you can't rush these things. Patience. Got these ragstone boulders out of Gallagher's quarry. Yeah, nice to have big boulders. They weigh an awful lot. So olive trees were chosen for this spot because of this great big hedge. It sucks all the water and moisture out of the soil in this corner of the garden. Bright baked sunshine most of the year, and the olive trees really, they're the only thing that can handle it, and we think they look gorgeous. Love all the knobbly bits at the bottom. Very, very nice. One of my favourite details in this garden is these copper tubes. Originally they were going to be oak, but it was suggested that the oak would twist and warp in the weather, and in time it wouldn't really look very good. So at the last minute, material choice was changed, but I actually think it's one of the best things about this little area. I really love it, really love it. They're going to be sealed in about 2 weeks' time when they've just got a little bit more mottled, and that will stop them going green. But I think they look absolutely fantastic. So one of the final elements that brings this garden together is this composite fencing from Charles and Ivy. 23 metres of it in total, I think. But it comes with a 20-year guarantee, but being composite, there's absolutely no reason for it to rot or rust or anything like that. So this should be here for an awful long time. And I think it really looks quite nice. And the thing that brings it all together is this lovely composite millboard deck. We've done a subframe underneath it as well, but this will last forever.